Hello everyone, Peter here, Piotr from Inte.Team and from the website called right-to-repair, yes? Or bookrepair.online.co.uk. Guys, today's video is not about the repair. Actually, it is, but it's not. I won't be doing any repairs, that's for sure. So today is just to tell to those who I will be sending information about Book Repair Online software and what we're doing at Inte.Team. Okay, so at Inte.Team, our goal is create project which integrate people. That's integrity team. Then when we integrate people, we're showing that together we're stronger, we can build better world. And the first project which we tackled in is the right to repair. And at right to repair, we want to produce fixable electronics, affordable fixable electronics. And with that in mind, we need to do it so that each and every person who's helping us, either it's a person who running a small, like not even registered business, but just, they can fix few things per month and they can do it efficiently and people are happy about it. Even for home, friends, and colleagues, yes? Sometimes some neighbor. For people who've got registered small business like I do with fixing electronic repairs, like general electronics, anything, just literally TVs, game consoles, whatever you're doing over there, maybe only game consoles, maybe only TVs, maybe only phones and tablets, it doesn't matter, yes, but just doing your work, maybe, because I don't do my work is everything here, but maybe a person who work from home, yes, or maybe a person who, like me, or maybe a person who work full-time employed and then doing this after their hours. So I want to integrate everyone. Plus I want to integrate people who would like to learn fixing electronics, okay? And then connect them through application called Book Repair Online. Book Repair Online allows to book repairs, manage business about the repairs, including the inventory, stock, everything, and with a global inventory, so each of the repair shops can see what other repair shops have in stock. And if you need like this main board to this TV, yes, you can just look for it, and if some other repair shop has it, or to Xbox One or whatever, yes, then you can quickly help your customer. Whereas if you wouldn't have it, you need to wait on parts, order these parts. If these parts are too dear locally, like in the UK, you need to order them from China, and then wait for a whole month. Yes, so it's not the quality which we can offer to our customers. So we better have more spare parts. If we can have them locally, then that would be brilliant. Plus, when we order from China and we fix TVs and we need some MOSFETs, varistors, whatever, yes, and maybe bridge rectifiers, then we can always order a few more, like a 2, 3 more or 5 more, and have them, and then put them into the software, and then we can all share what we have, and then we can fix for our customers quicker. So that's the idea, yes? So the reason why I've showed this video is to invite everyone to try bookrepair.online.co.uk. It has to be activated account by admin, that's mean by me or one of my team. Before account it can be live, that's mean first 30 days is completely free. We don't charge for it at all. Then it's £10 per month only, so it's not dear, unless you will be using it severely, like a lot. Then the server will be occupied more, then we can speak about increasing that, but probably most, if not all, will be only on that fee, so it's super cheap anyway per month. And fingers crossed it will stay this way for another at least 5 to 10 years, if that's possible. We don't charge for coding, we don't charge for backups, we don't charge for anything, for upgrades, yes. We will be just adding more and more features, and we just finishing last bits and bobs in version 1.0, and we already starting as well, part of our team starting to prepare for version 2.0. That version will be released several months ahead, yes? So no additional costs involved, that just £10 per month. You can quit at any time and ask us to delete the account, and that's it, yes? Now, what else I can say? Yes, so it will be a central system. Then in the future, yes, we build like a market, so everyone can go to the book repair online and can first pick service they want, like electronic repairs, then by location, yes, for instance, and because that will be default and there will be other filters, and then they can just search, yes, and then if you will be closest and you will have rating with 5-star rating or 4 point something rating, then you will be the first one to go to, yes. So that's what we're planning, version 2.0, yes, but every repair shop can have it as a unique URL which you can use on your website to book in your repairs. If you don't have a website, we offer really cheap websites. It's 150 to 300 pounds most of the time they are, so it's really super cheap. If you want to deliver content, it's even cheaper, because then it's usually 60 to 90 pounds, but you need to deliver content, so that means all the text and all the images, yes, if you don't have a website. And then hosting per year, it's only £50, unless you have severe traffic, like a really hard traffic, I mean. And the domain is up to you, but it's usually a few quid per year, yes, and that's your cost for the website, yes. So by saying that, I want to say that I invite everyone to join our movement, because profits taken from the project are going towards first starting to sell our own electronics like Vestal is selling to Panasonic, JVC, Toshiba, Bosch, I don't know, JVC, I don't know if I said JVC, but Polaroid, yes, and so on. So if they are selling to so many companies, we would like to sign up contract as well with companies which can sell to us electronics, yes, and then we would like to make sure we've got these components in stock, so you won't have to figure out yourself, do you have these components or not. They will be always available. The next thing is that we will be making sure when it comes to the TVs, we will have and main boards and displays, yes, so that's what we want to do, because that's our plan. And the last step will be to get these funds what we're using from book repair online, from selling electronics and maybe components as well, who knows. And then the last step, when we will have these profits, we want to start paying companies and people to produce for us our own fixable devices, and then instead of selling them through our website, just as our website, we can sell them through every repair shop which has contract with us, okay? And then when we need for security reason marry one component to another, these repair shops will be able to authorize to have equipment to marry these components again, yes. So that's mean no more problems as we see them on a daily basis when we fix electronics. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you can only take your time, register account at Book Repair Online, let us know, yes, for the communication passed on Right to Repair or bookrepair.online.co.uk, that you would like to have your account activated, and what are those details of the account. Then feel free to do it. Together we're stronger. By integrity we can make really this world a better place. And what else I can tell you? Yes, okay, so Book Repair Online is only the first project, okay, and the Right to Repair is just the first project. We will be doing other projects, so we're not here to literally drive Lamborghinis, let's say. I'm driving 2003 Volvo XC90 and I don't want to change it, yes, and none of us here at this business, at Inte.Team, wanna anything extraordinary. We want to just help and be appreciated for what we're doing, not just, you know, say that we're scammers, because we're not. Yes, so that's it. And then profits we will use for another project, for instance, create more healthy food, yes, or some other stuff, only the problems we face in our lives. So you see, so one after another, yes, one after another, if we can help each other, we will be just better. But guys, that's 10 minutes video. I think that I've told enough. If you need more information, feel free to ask or leave comments down below. But in today's episode, that's everything. So thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.